relationship with him. Chemistry is already there, and I thought when we analyzed it, we thought we would have our best chances of winning the tournament.
How does it feel that the fans chose you as a
Obviously, I'm honored this late in my career to have a company and a brand like Daily Fantasy to basically acknowledge my contribution and my value to Philippine basketball. I think it's a nice feather in my cap. But more than that, it's really to also give inspiration, something to aspire for the wannabe coaches in the Philippines, right? So something that they can look forward.
questions?
Coach, kailan kayo mag-start ng practice sa team?
Monday the 25th. That's the start of our practice. Because we're going to wait for Gilas to be over. Calvin Oftana is there. Coach Josh Reyes is also there. So we want to make sure the players are complete before we resume our practice.
Si Ronde ba nandito?
Wala pa. He'll arrive, I think, December 1. I think our first game is December 6, if I'm not mistaken. I don't know if I'm preempting the PBA, but that's the schedule that we have so far.
Coach, 100% sure na it's gonna be Ronde coaching this.
But do you consider other imports aside from Ronde?
Yeah, we're still in the lookout. We're on the lookout always. Like I said, if we can find a really good 6'10", 6'11" guy, then we'll definitely consider him. But for now, with the options that we've seen, we have some really good 6'8", 6'9" prospects. But kung ganong height din lang, Ronde na naman.
Coach, in the spirit of fantasy, can you name some players that you would have on your NBA fantasy?
Oh, very easy. Obviously, the top players in the NBA are a no-brainer, but I'd like to take a look at the kind of up-and-coming players, not the established superstars. For example, Dyson Daniels, I think is leading the league in steals. Yan mga ganyan, mga gusto ko mga players that these are the kind of diamonds in the rough that I like to see. We can see what's his name, si Powell now, the way he's playing. I like to shy away from the established names when doing. I don't want to spill my secrets because I'm going to be involved in a challenge against a lot of people playing daily fantasies.
Kung may PBA Fantasy 5, sinong PBA Fantasy 5 mo?
Madali na yun, alam na naman natin sino yung all-star ng PBA. But I think in the PBA, they do it differently. So again, we have to be able to, I have to keep my cards close to my chest. But it's very easy. Just take a look at the Gilas team, right? And you already know who are the best players that you'll choose if you have to come up with a Fantasy 5.
Coach, at this point of your career, nung masabi mo na brand ambassador ka pa naman sa
well, like I said, it's a good. I think it's a good culmination of everything I've done, and it's a recognition of my contribution to Philippine basketball. That's how I look at it. Hopefully, we can inspire the young up-and-coming coaches. You know that I give a lot of free clinics to coaches who don't have the resources to spend to attend the other more high-priced, expensive clinics. So that's really an advocacy of mine. So hopefully by doing this, we can again help further that advocacy.
Coach, how do you see the competition sa commissioners?
Very, very, very tough. Kasi we all already see the teams beefing up. We already know one team that's already beefed up considerably. So you know, if the Governor's Cup was difficult, I find the commissioner going to be doubly, if not 10 times more difficult.
Ginebra ba yan? Sasabi mo?
Hindi! Alam na natin, malakas yung Ginebra, pero nagpapalakas pa. But we know the other team, right?
Any more questions?
Hey!
Thank you.